Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Crypto Traders Arena, daily crypto plan live stream. Well, I decided to make it public again. So hit the like button, share the tweet for more reach about this live stream. Yeah. Okay. Morning Rocco, morning Shogun, morning Saya, Yopunk, Sebastian, Stefan. Good morning, Stefan. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin on daily, and let's see what we have. Last night, people who saw the market pushing to 65 said that, well, Paul is damn stupid. He said, repeat after me, the market is bullish. Well, look at it. But in the same fucking time, we discussed yesterday in the live stream about these two levels, yeah? If we'll hold this one or if we'll test this one. Nothing bad happened. You can see we Wyckoff checked this one, then we retested this one. Nice close above that, both of the levels, which means the market is kind of strong. I don't know how strong it is before the election if we'll push above the all-time high, but at least you saw it yourself, V bottom straight up. We touched that level and someone said, well, no, go back up. Okay, so again, repeat after me. The market is strong. Indicators, you can see the market is recovering. RSI will try to go back in the overbought area. OBV is behaving nicely, nothing to complain. So on daily we are okay. Let's see how this candle will close and if we'll form here a kind of a 3-bar fractal bottom. Don't think, well, let's long here at this point in time. Where are you at 65? What did you did there? Panicking? Now it's kind of ugly too. We are in the middle of nowhere. I don't suggest to trade, to hunt long ideas. If you are a premium member or a VIP and you have access to Holy Grail, okay, take Holy Grail and try something if you want. Or follow Stefan for some scalps or what we post there. But for a swing trader, daily 4-hour chart, I don't know if it's the best level to long. Morning, Hania. Okay, so that's daily. Let's see 4-hour chart and then we'll look at other ones. On 4-hour chart here, you can see support and we bounced. 3-bar fractal bottom and we are pushing higher. Look left, we have some resistance here. That's why I said don't be too bullish here or don't long here. Not to buy, don't long. Why? Well, your stop loss should be all the way down if you're a swing trader. And the market has to push a lot higher, straight up, for you to get a 2-to-1 or maybe more. Okay? So maybe wait for a better setup. Overall, what I'll do here, I'll show you when I'll go on the other templates for day trading. I'll wait for a retest here. So I'll let the market pump. Other retest, I'll try to hunt a long idea. That's my plan. Okay, back on daily. And let's see Ethereum, for example. Well, weaker than Bitcoin, that's for sure. Retesting the W here. This was a buying opportunity, people. Pretty simple. We didn't do a retest of the W. Now we have that. And we closed above 2,500 and market is pushing higher. So if Bitcoin will behave nicely, Ethereum should start doing something nice. Everyone is mocking Ethereum. Everyone is mocking Vitalik. Everyone is mocking his girlfriend. Maybe it's too much. Just maybe. I don't know. Maybe we'll have this scenario. Just maybe. Maybe we have this scenario. Everyone and their mother said, well, let's short it to the ground. Well, when everyone is looking in the same fucking direction, look what happened. Just look what happened on this one. I even discussed it with Stefan. Everyone was selling here, and Stefan was asking, I see a buy, what do you see? Sell at the bottom, I don't see it. Let's wait for us to buy some. And look what happened. Really nice move. Was something bullish about this one? No. Just that everyone was in the one direction, and market makers saw the opportunity to to clean everything up. That's simple. So maybe at the end of 2024, it's not a fucking good idea to short altcoins, because if you manage to get here and you had kind of a soft stop loss, because I know people shorting with soft stop losses. I don't agree with something like that. Well, your soft stop loss destroyed your account. You're out. You need more money. Go work and put more money on your Binance account. For what? Okay, let's go back. Let's go back on. So here on Ethereum, we closed above 2,500, and I think we can do AB equals CDs and push higher. As long as Bitcoin is strong, Ethereum should start outperforming from now on. Okay, let's see Bitcoin dominance. If you remember, I said something about this level a couple of days ago. Bounce here, and let's pay attention here, maybe for an M. We don't have an M. We have a 3-bar fractal trying to form there. You can see we touched Wyckoff check this level, kind of rejection here on 4-hour chart, maybe a 3-bar fractal top, maybe an M, who knows. But it's an interesting area to pay attention. That's my 2 cents about Bitcoin dominance. We have a chance. I already activated the Holy Grail. I have the template here, and I'll start hunting, patiently hunting for ideas. Well, that's Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's put the daily. Well, we wanted for something to SFU everything. Well, we have that. Now we have everything we need. Give me a fucking W. Sorry about my language, but give me a W from now on. It's enough. From now on, I could say, well, we cleaned up everything. If you give me a daily W, maybe. Not yet. You can see. It can be a power of 3. We can do a lot of things. We can push lower, of course. Megaphone thinking, it's a lot lower. But on weekly chart, let's take weekly for allocation. Let's think about this one. We are in the long reload zone. We should not think bearish here. We are in the middle of the long reload zone. Even better. Indicators are starting to say something here. Can you see it? It's Ethereum versus Bitcoin on weekly chart, not daily. Can you see the OBV here? We made a new low. Where is the new low on OBV? Well, I don't see it. So don't be the public. Look at Twitter, seeing people throwing water on Vitaly girlfriend and jokes, stupid jokes like that, and well, let's short Ethereum. Well, just look at the chart. It's weekly chart. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Ethereum versus Bitcoin did a new low here, and the OBV is telling us a different story. So time to pay attention, guys. Will not happen tomorrow, but it's time to pay attention. It's time for to start to change the thinking. Well, Ethereum is underperforming. Maybe it's time to start outperforming Bitcoin slowly first. It's hard to start to change. You have to stop dropping. You have to go sideways and then pump. No? Okay. That's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You don't see me too bullish too often on this chart. I'm not saying that, well, it's reversing now, but it's about time to slow down with the underperforming thinking. It's enough. Okay. DXY on weekly, you can see is pushing higher in the short reload zone. We accepted above 103.5. It's at the moment is retesting this year. Will probably slow down here. It's all I could see here. It will probably slow down. It's a V bottom. This one will be retested at some point in time. So don't think, well, we'll go to the moon. No, we'll retest sooner than later. If the retest will hold or will go even lower at 61.8, I don't know. Okay, let's go back on daily. Total market cap, nothing special, similar with Bitcoin. Total 3, trying to recover, accept above this level. Not bad, not bad, not great, not terrible. Everyone was saying that, well, could be bearish. Well, we rejected from this channel. Yeah. We can go for our chart, we can do whatever we want, but you can see one touch, two touches, the third one, clear uptrend channel, fake out here and pushing higher. We even discussed this fake out here in the New York session with the people. And someone said, well, I'm waiting for that level. I said, well, nice level. It's in confluence with support and resistance, confluence with maybe a fake out from the uptrend channel. Yeah. Was a different template, I think, here. Yeah. No, I was watching this level here. And you can see we touched that level, fake out in the outside from the channel and straight up, back up here. It's bullish here? No, it's just a bearish retest from this EM now, for the moment. If we'll W out and we'll push higher, then we'll change. But for the moment, we have EMs, breakdown and a retest. In the same time, we have an uptrend channel, which is strong. Back here. Good morning, Andre. Good morning. I still think AB equals CD has a nice chance to be filled and 6,000 to be reached. Maybe yes, maybe no, who knows. Well, that's the overview. Yeah? Nice to see some strength. Nice to see that this one it's still is true, and I'm happy that people understood that idea. They didn't short too aggressively here. At least crypto traders are enough people. They understood that, well, it's normal. We touch 69, we reject 66, 65. It's something normal to happen. Let's stay out. And you saw how violent the move was. If you try to short 66 or 65, you are dead. You're out. You're out. And if you don't have a good risk management, you're out with a painful lesson to learn. Yeah, you don't short before an exponential move or late in the bull cycle. Okay, let's take a look at what we have on day trading, swing trading kind of idea. Let's start with Bitcoin. So, for our chart first. If you remember, we discussed this chart on 66 level a couple of days ago, and I said, well, give me a W in the blue area. Well, I got the blue area, but I didn't get a W. The market was too strong and rejected here. Honestly, I was kind of thinking to hunt this level, if we'll reach that level. Well, seems like the market was too strong for that level. No W, doesn't matter the time frame I used was too strong. Yeah? So, yeah, if you manage to get a different entry, okay. If not, next bus. Now, like I said, look left, don't chase here. Don't chase. We are almost in the short reload zone. You think it's a good idea to get bullish here? I don't think so. If you are playing Fib Pong and you are thinking, well, election, volatility, let's play some Fib Pong, okay. Wait on lower time frame for this short reload zone for a scalp short or a day trade to the downside. What I'll do, I'll wait for this pump to finish. I don't know, here in the short reload zone on 61.8 or 78.6. At some point in time, we'll stop. And then I'll hunt a long entry. How? Well, I'll just wait in long reload zone. That's simple. And you can see, Stefan, please tell me, what percentage this week should be filled for us to hunt a long idea? You are a fan of Muro and his TA. Yeah, I'll tell you, 50 to 70%. So you can see 78.6 or even 61.8, it's in this area. So I'll wait. If the market will be volatile, I'll wait for an entry here, for a long, in this area. we can start hunting long ideas from the candle body lows here. Okay. Okay. So short here, if you want to short, no recommend the short, but because it's Bitcoin is big enough, yeah, you can short. Wait for a short in the short reload zone, wait for a retracement back at the support here, test of 66, and maybe we can play along. Okay, now that's Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. I'll go look on 1 hour. You can see we are going sideways. No retracement, nothing. If we'll develop something else, here we can develop also a bot setup. It's too early to call it a bot setup. We need to play, I think, 50-minute chart, but we need a better retracement and some W's here. Yeah? 66,600 in this area. And we can think about a bot setup. Okay? Now, Ethereum, kind of similar. 4-hour chart on altcoins. Well, you can see everything did the same similar pattern, V bottom. Usually they'll get retested. I have a setup here, no. Ton, I have a setup here, no. I'm trying something on lower time frame. You can see on lower time frame I kind of wait for an LJ. Will happen now? No. I think we'll push back down and then we'll go and do a double the other side. Too early for that. If I really want to play ton, I don't think the ton is the best one, but you can see similar. Back on 4-hour chart. TIA. Well, TIA is strong. TIA is damn strong at this point in time. You can see it didn't retrace too much and it's pushing higher. I still have the trades. I'm just enjoying. I think we'll test the highs at 6.8, even $7 on medium time, maybe even higher. Who knows? Okay, Pixel 4-hour chart. We have the trade. We don't need more than that. It's on the daily time frame. You can see it's stronger than the rest. It's more than enough. We are long. W's breakout retest. We are in daily chart. Is the best. 4-hour, you can see it's a bit too much noise for me. Manta, well, we reached long reload zone. We have a W, no, but we have long reload zone. Power of 3 or a nice inverse head and shoulder roll W here for Manta, and we can play around. Okay? We have DCM. I don't like DCM, but if we'll make a double in the long reload zone, I'll be forced to take it. Look at bullish divergence formed on MACD. And OBV is trying to tell us something. Just trying for the moment. Okay? So, we have some potentials here. Solana. Someone asked me if they should short Solana here. I said no. Look at the result. Someone is trying to short Solana at 180. I'll tell you, don't do it. They will not listen. It's up to them. I already know that they'll try to short 180. Because I could see AB equals CD, and AB equals CD will point out a lot higher. Exactly in their fucking stop loss. Okay? And usually after an AB equals CD, another fake out follows. So we can retest 200 even. It's strong. I don't have long setups, but that doesn't mean I should short. CRV, still stable coin. Bukur, your favorite stable coin. You can stay in this one. Is more stable than RON, USD, Lira, everything else. Yeah? Turkish Lira. So Tolga, if you want, you can stay in CRV. Is more stable than your national coin. And mine also. Okay, at least for the moment. Alt. Well, it's kind of an ugly range here. You can see AB equals CD, it's almost completed. V bottom here. I don't trust V bottoms on altcoins. We need a retest. Like I said on Bitcoin, if you are bullish and you are thinking strong, okay, let this pump finish and wait. Something like that. Wait for a W lower time frame in the long reload zone. A general setup should be really nice. Similar here, you can see V bottom for the moment. Pipe strong. This one is strong strong. You can hunt this one with Holy Grail. Hopefully will push higher. It's stronger than the rest, that's for sure. I have a setup, a classic one, no. Saga, all over the place. And if you remember, I said megaphone, don't play around, it's ugly. Look at the middle of the megaphone. It's confirming again. Well, this is a megaphone, don't touch it. Sorry. E-gold, we are long. It's this is all over the place. We are just a bit above the entry. I see a new setup, no. Aevo just give us an entry. Yeah, we discussed this Stefan setup, let's call it that way. Yeah? We decided to call it Stefan setup. So entry at 61.8, stop loss all the way down. You can see W, higher highs, okay, we have everything we need and we are long. Okay, we are long. I already moved my stop here. If the market wants to retest this level, I don't want to be in the trade. Probably will go lower in the long reload zone. I could frame a better setup. Okay, so that's why I'm not too eager to stay there if we'll retest this low. FET, like I said, I'm waiting lower. I'll not change my mind for the moment. Dimension, not bad. Bounce from the long reload zone, but still against DCMs I don't like V bottoms. No, it's too high. I need a setup and I don't have one. Doge is kind of consolidating here. Some people will say, well, we have yams, it's bearish. No, it's not. Doge is strong here. It will retrace. Any retracement here on Doge, it's a buying opportunity. I don't know about you, but it's what I see here. I see a lot of strength. Yeah, we can retrace, we can retest this, Wyckoff check this level, maybe this level, maybe at, I don't know, 11.5 cents. That will be a gift. But I could see a bot setup forming here. Not yet, but soon enough. And of course, our favorite doji. We finished pumping. Let's see if we'll get a retest here at 88 cents. If we'll keep pushing higher, sorry, you had your chance. We have 2 free bags on doji already. We don't know if we'll retrace back. If we'll retrace, we'll reload. If we'll not retrace, well, we'll be happy with what we have. So that's my list here. I think it's quite clear that altcoins are trying to pump. They are trying to pump. Bitcoin dominance, it's in a nice position here for our chart. Yeah? Something is developing. Let's pay attention. We have the Holy Grail. Actually, the VIP and the premium people have Holy Grail. You can hunt with Holy Grail if you want on 5-minute chart. Look at this one. This one is too strong. Not even Holy Grail will not change this one on 5-minute chart. You want 1 minute? Okay, 1 minute will give you someone. Will give you something. But you are sure that you are able to trade 1 minute? Okay, you had an entry here, had an entry here, you had an entry here. A lot of entries. 1 minute chart. Up to you. Not for everyone. That's clear. But 5-minute chart, this one was too strong. Similar this one, but tradable if we'll retrace. You can see you had an entry here. You had an entry yesterday here. Myro, similar, you can see 1 entry, maybe will give us another one. ID, kind of similar, even now is giving us an entry. So we have ideas. It's if we have an uptrend, Holy Grail is the best tool. We just need to scan the market, take some trades. It's a bit too early to start with Holy Grail. For most of the coins, yeah, it's a bit too early. They didn't form an uptrend yet, but they are trying to. Strong ones like Miro, like Mu, like other coins, they already have on 5-minute chart higher highs, higher lows. Pretty simple. So start hunting, people. If you have access, start hunting with Holy Grail. Try to trail, not to close the entire trade at 2-1, because you can maximize the profit. People who have experience here, they know how to trail. Most of them. Okay, I don't see too many requests. Actually, I don't see requests. I see only people chatting in the YouTube chat. After a move straight up, V bottom, it's not a good idea to chase today. Maybe we'll get a retracement. Maybe we'll get something. This maybe. LJ, it's a name for a setup. It's a name for a setup. Learn from Brian. It's actually a trend line breakout strategy. You have to know how to draw correctly the trend line. Then you have to wait for the market to go the other side of that trend line, and then to wait for a complete W, and that's your entry. Yeah. Let's see YFI on daily. Daily chart, please. Daily. Range. See the range. Bottom of the range. Good for dollar cost average. Good for everything you want. I don't see a setup on daily yet. Let's see 4-hour chart if you want to play around. Fuck around with a setup. I don't see a setup neither. No, not yet. But on daily and weekly chart you have a good location, good for dollar cost average, little old lady, or other investment strategy. Okay, what time frame do you want on Neiro? Render. Let's say render. Binance. 4-hour chart. Well, let's start with daily. You have a range here and you have an M. You are against that M, which is not the best area to hunt along. You have the M and you are at the neckline. Let's go for our chart. Indicators, I don't see anything special. If you are thinking bottom here or here, it's like everything else, render. I don't see anything special. On higher time frame, okay, it's okay-ish for investment, but here I see going sideways. In a range like this, you don't want to play too deeply. You said 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart, I don't see W's here. Now I see AB equals D to the downside. We reached the target. We took some liquidity, or maybe we need to take more because we have equal lows here. Maybe. We don't have W's lately on 4-hour chart, so similar with everything else, it's better to wait a little bit. Let's see Neiro on spot, and there you go. Well, you can see we reached this level. We discussed this one yesterday or 2 days ago. Even on daily. Where the fuck? Yeah. Well, this could behave like a location for a setup for a trade, but you need W's here. You see W's there? Seeing this chart, I think pump chaser zone is the best location for you there, but I don't think we have pump chaser yet. Oh, you can see. This is the pump chaser zone. W in this area on daily. Okay? And lower that. The first location is here. This is the location. Look left. Yeah? Let's put it back on long reload zone. Let's go on 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is similar with everything. Yeah, we bottom. Actually weaker than the rest this time. It's weaker than the rest. 1 hour. You said 1 hour? Let's see 1 hour. You are in a clear downtrend. You have a W here. You want to take that one? It's damn risky. I'll tell you that. If you ask me, I'll not take it. I think we'll push through lows. But yeah, it's a W there. I don't see bullish divergence. So yeah, it's a W, but it's in the fucking middle of nowhere in a clear downtrend channel. So no, not for me. I'm not saying it could not work, but probabilities for this setup, it's really low. And you can see, we just Wyckoff check this level and we're going back down. No, I don't see anything special. Maybe from now on will form. Well, let's assume that this will make a new low and RSI will not make a new low. That will give us a potential bullish divergence, and then when we'll confirm, we can look for W's next. I don't see a setup there. Oh no. Higher time frame, I explained you yesterday. I think we discussed this one. Yeah. Let's see. It's just a dead cat bounce here. Wyckoff checking this level, bouncing. We need W's at least on 4-hour chart. Breakout and retest. That's my 2 cents. Now, let's take a look at that one on 4-hour chart. But when you're asking 4-hour chart, guys, I'll start on daily at least. And you should understand why. I need to see the overview. I need to back off. People have the tendency not to see the forest because of the trees. They are too close. So you need to zoom out. Jupiter. Well, was strong yesterday. Let's see how it's behaving today. Ooh, nice. Strong. Range, but strong. It's that time of year again. This one is pumping. People are trying to get some rewards at the end of the year. Airdrops, because they all have an airdrop in the beginning of the next year. Again, I don't know what will happen. For the moment here, it's ranging. It's a range. W's, the other side of the trend line. Not the best location for a trade, but I could see a range. Nice one. So we should think something like this. Something like this. We are kind of at the top here. You want to long? I don't suggest to do that because you are in a fucking short reload zone. You want to short? Don't do that either. I explained you why you should not short earlier. If you want, do it by yourself. Just please don't tell me because I'll tell you something ugly. You are in a short reload zone there, in a range. Don't short, but don't be aggressive long here. Wait for a retracement back at the kind of a 75, 80 cents. If you see W's like you saw here, okay. Okay. Oh, that's my thinking on Jupiter. Could pump, of course. This range could break out and retest if you want to play. If you want to play the breakout and retest game on daily chart, it's not the most profitable because you cannot put you cannot form a small window of risk. It's hard and you have to take a wide stop loss that will make a small position and a small reward. Okay. I did that already. Yesterday, Rado. It's the same. No? You had the retest overnight, yeah? You remember I said bot setup? Breakout and retest, 25 level? Well, you had that. What I could say more than that? You had the bot setup here. Well, that's the entry, 25. Stop loss should be here. 3 to 1 until the top. That was the trade. We discussed this one before the entry. That's daily. Yeah? We have 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows to protect your stop loss. 4 lows now. Well, even better. If you put that trade, okay. If you didn't put it, well, next bust. On 4-hour chart, I think it's the same like everything else. Yeah. On 4-hour chart, you still have a lot of. Sorry guys, didn't drink my coffee. So you can see the M here, just a bearish retest. So wait for the next W on 4-hour chart. On daily is different. On 4-hour chart you can see you have the M. It's behaving like a resistance and will probably, if we'll do an AB equals CD, will push you in this area here, and then you can wait for a W. Andrei, no signals, sorry. Trade ideas maybe, but signals no. If you want to be kicked out from our community, just ask about signals in the chat and I'll gladly do that. Not gladly, but I'll do it. Yeah, we are not. We are a trading community. We are trying to build a nice, clean community. I hope I succeeded. Old people could tell you that if I succeeded or not. I'm trying to keep it clean, nice, for us to enjoy it when you wake up in the morning to go on Crypto Traders Arena and find some ideas. Trade ideas, not signals. Okay? We have education programs trying to grow our community with more traders. See the testimonials if you want to know if you are doing a good job or not. It's that simple. If you want to be part of the core of the community where we are discussing a lot, that's premium membership. It's fucking cheap when you have the New York session live stream, you have the chat where we are discussing, you have access on all the trade ideas channel, not signals, from position trading, investing to day trading. Okay, if you have a day job and you know how to trade, another condition, and you want only short-term complete trade ideas, then you can join VIP. But the core of the community is premium. That's because VIP have access on premium. The premium people are pretty interested in trading. Gladiators are posting on premium chat, so that's the core of the community. I'm not saying the general part is not active or we are not helping them, but there are people mostly not so interested in trading. They are here just for curiosity, maybe just investing. Well, let's take a look at link and then let's call it a live stream. Let's start with daily on link because we have a lot of things to discuss about link. Well, there you go. Now you can see I have a lot of ink on link. We bought this W on link. And Stefan was yelling, buy, buy, buy. Look at the power of 3 here. Huh? Breakout retest. Pushing higher. You are in the kind of long reload zone, but you can see the pyramid here. You can see we are still on the left side of the trend line. We have a location. I don't see the buy opportunity on link for the moment here. We need better. For our chart, let's see what we have. Well, for our chart is similar with everything. Actually, I don't like something here. I see this EM, I see this trend line. The EM the other side should push lower in the long reload zone. Testing the lows here, maybe even lower. So I don't see anything special. I don't know if Bitcoin will drop a little bit to retest some levels, if link will hold this low. I think we'll push to the next one. That's my 2 cents. 1 hour, it's kind of similar. Huh? You have an EM already here. You have a ugly W, ugly EM. Actually have an ugly W, but a really nice EM. Wait for the next W here at the lows. If you really want link. I don't get it why you should want necessarily link, because there are better charts there. Up to you. Okay, back on Bitcoin dominance. You can see the head and shoulder trying to form here. Huh? Shoulder, head, maybe the next shoulder. Some bearish divergence in indicators for to confirm me the head and shoulder thinking. Let's pay attention on that one. Stay on 4-hour chart, maybe is better. 3-bar fractal top. Let's see what will happen. Yeah. Hit the like button, guys, if you like the content. Yeah, please hit the like button. Repost this one for more people to see the live stream. Maybe other people they are enjoying. It's a public live stream, so I hope that at least one idea could help you from what I said almost 40 minutes now. Yeah. Market is still strong, it's just volatile, and will get more volatile as we are getting closer and closer to the election. Expect more volatility, not necessarily good volatility, useful for traders, but big volatility, ugly. It will be hard. You saw V bottom, almost impossible to get that level if you are not a level guy. Well, I'll hit the level. If you are waiting for confirmation, you don't stand a chance. So either we adapt, either we stay on the sidelines. Up to us. If you have spot bags, just don't panic here because of the volatility. A lot of people will panic here. Well, when I'll see some lows, well, I'll sell my bags. And that will be a fucking big mistake. You waited 2 or 3 years to accumulate, to get your bags, and now because someone is saying, well, it's the end of the world, you will sell. Up to you. Okay. Let's call it a live stream. See you guys in the New York session or tomorrow with a similar video or in the chat on Discord. See you guys. Bye bye.